Hello everyone. Next we are taking a green sheet and folding it a little bit from both the sides and then placing a double tape on it. After that we are just folding it just like shown and then put some candies in there and then you can seal it. Here we are sealing it in a shape of triangle and then we are giving it a little detailings like cute eyes and a bow, and a cute surprise triangle is ready. Next we are taking a circular cutout and then folding it just shown, then cut it out and open it. It is looking in a shape of flower and then you need to make more like these. After that you need to just attach it with the stem we've made with green paper. After attaching you can see our cute flower is ready. Just some little detailing by adding a green branch on it made by a green paper cutout. Just attach it with the flower and our flower is ready. Next we are taking some colored stripes and then folding it out. Then you need to join them together. Here we have taken different colors. You can take many colors as you want, and then you need to paste a cardboard in there and detail it with some sun cutout, some clouds and more. Next we are taking a yellow sheet and then folding it out 2 times, then open it and fold it again 2 times. You've got the markings and then fold it accordingly like we are doing. After that flip it around and then just fold it from the back 2 times again. Just repeat the process what we are doing here and then give it a proper shape and it is ready. Next we are taking a paper cutout and we are cutting 2 slipper shape figure. After that we are taking some clay for the details and then making a flower out of it, and then we are taking a paper cutout and then pasting it on one slipper. Repeat this with another one and it is ready. Thanks for watching.